Matt Rudman here from A New Media for a New World. So today I wanted to bring you a quick video blog entry on something that many of us solopreneurs and producers of information products and digital media want to accomplish, and that is to be able to sell merchandise from your website, to sell your information products. I found a great plugin for WordPress. So for those of you that are WordPress users, you're going to love this. So the product that I'm going to look at today, it's a free plugin called WooCommerce. That's WOO Commerce. And again, it is a WordPress plugin. There is a free version, and then you can also pay for a supported version. Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the free version. Okay, so one of the first things you're going to want to do is log into your WordPress site, and then you're going to want to go into your dashboard. So I'm going to go right into the dashboard here and assume that you've already logged into your WordPress backend. And you're going to go down here to, you can already see right here, I've got Woo installed, but what you would do is you'd go to your plugins menu item here in your dashboard, and you would go to Add New. And I'm just clicking that, so I'm going through the simulation. And then you would type in WooCommerce and then do a search on plugin. Okay. And I saw how that had the word social tagged to it. I'm just going to knock that out, and we're just going to look for WooCommerce. So that must have been a saved search. So here we go. WooCommerce Excelling E-commerce. The current version is 1.6.3. So you could actually go through, you'll see install if you don't already have that, and you can just go through the installation process here in your plugin menu, okay? So I'm going to X out of this box. Again, I already had this installed and activated, okay? What I'm going to show you today is I'm going to quickly shoot back to my main site so you can see it in action, and then I'm going to drive down into the back end of configuration of WooCommerce. So what I wanted here was what I'm working towards. My kind of I guess my business model is really moving into the realm of selling information products and digital media, and by that I mean ebooks, podcasts, video, things of that nature. So what I wanted was I wanted a store, a back-end store, one that was robust. You know, I didn't want to just post a quick product out there and just slap a PayPal link on it, because my game plan here is to roll out and to offer other things. So I wanted some nice features. I wanted to be able to have correspondence sent to the people who downloaded. I wanted the ability to offer sales. I wanted the ability to track and report what's going on with the sales, to easily adjust pricing, to get feedback from buyers, things of those natures. You know, features that you might find in Amazon. So here I'm going to move my cursor towards, right here you see on my menu bar, shop. So what I've done is I've set up the shop as one menu item here. And this is kind of how I'm currently driving this, and you can configure this how you want it. But what I'm doing here is I produced my first ebook here called A Better Way to Reach Your Tribe. And so what I've done is I've kind of reconfigured my website to create a funnel, what I call like a sales funnel. I want to move my traffic into and to explore my information products. So here, A Better Way, and I'll show you what I've done on my banner, but basically I created this. It's hot and it's linkable. It clicks over to my shop, okay, so where you can purchase this product. So let's go to the menu item again down here in shop, okay, so I'm going to click on this. You can see the drop downs there, by the way. Okay, so this is what the shop looks like, the catalog, kind of at the high level. I have a couple of very simple products in here right now. One is my ebook, How to Reach Your Tribe, and then I have another product here which is a private class, okay? And again, I'll show you how to configure many products that you can put in here. And this looks pretty standard. You've got your add to cart buttons down here, which is cool. This is exactly what I wanted. And one other thing I will tell you that I've made sure that all my social sharing buttons are available in my shopping cart within the whole shopping experience, because if I have a user that is interested in a product or they thought something was very helpful, I'd like to make sure that it's easily shareable. So if they find something helpful to them, that they can share that out. So again, that's something else to keep in mind. So let's see, if we go through the experience here, then let's say that I wanted to purchase this ebook. If you look down here, you can kind of see there's a crossed out $14.95, okay? And then the active price here is 99 cents, 0.99. And I'm doing this because I'm offering this as a very deep discounted special right now, because I have plans to move this onto a Kindle platform and make it available through that the Kindle format, the .mobi format. So before I do that, I'm offering this at a discount, plus I'd like some feedback from people. So I'm offering it at a very reasonable, if not, next to free price, basically. So you can also sort, you can provide this button here, and you'll see this in the configuration page of the catalog. You can define how you want to sort the catalog. So if you've got a lot of items on your catalog, that might come in helpful. So let's say I wanted to add this item to my cart. I just clicked on it. And then this is going to bring me over to the page. Okay, it's showing me here that I've got a product successfully added to the shopping cart. So what this does is, it's kind of neat that it keeps you on your catalog, but then it notifies you that you've added this item onto your cart. So if somebody wanted to buy more product, you're not directing them away from your catalog. So I think that was kind of a smart design flow on the part of WooCommerce. Let's say I wanted to check out then. Purchase this product, go through the buying experience. I'm going to view the cart, so that button, and again, all this was automatically configured for me in WooCommerce. So here I'm viewing my cart, and you can give this whatever name you want, but I just have it defaulted set at cart. And we've got How to Reach Your Tribe. This is the product that is in my shopping cart right now. The price is 99 cents, quantity of 1, and total is 99 cents. So you could also apply a coupon, which is kind of neat. You can set up coupons in the back of WooCommerce to give discounts to your products. I found that to be really neat too. So you can offer specials to maybe members of your list, product specials or coupon specials when people sign up, for instance, for classes you offer and other products you might offer, and you can say buy this and I'll give you a coupon to get so much off of this particular product. And again, this is good for services and products. So this WooCommerce cart, so you can use it for both. So let's say then here's my totals, 99 cents. Let's say I'm going to proceed to checkout. Now I have this set up to use PayPal. I'm not going to go into the other payment options. Okay, but so this directs me to the checkout, and you do have to provide a billing address, first name, last name, address, and you can see here city and zip. Okay, and then an email. So this is kind of neat because you're grabbing email information and you're grabbing contact information from buyers. They may not be on your list, but this is a neat way to help them kind of get onto your list so they can find about other cool products that you offer. So then you go down through here. This is a summary of your order, and you just click here. You could provide other payment options, and if I did provide other payment options, they would show up here, right here where my cursor is, where people could select on the other options. Right now I'm just steering everything towards PayPal because, as many of you know, PayPal now accepts credit cards direct, so you don't have to have a PayPal account. So here I just click on Place Order, and this is actually moving me through the gateway over to PayPal. And for those of you who've bought in PayPal, you'll be familiar with this layout right here. So here's a PayPal screen, and you can use your PayPal ID to purchase this product, or if you don't have a PayPal account, you can click on that item there, and then you can say, hey, I'm going to use my credit card. Okay, I just wanted to jump right here to the post payment screen. I'm still in PayPal here, and what I've done is I've ordered the product in PayPal using a credit card, and this is the screen, of course, that PayPal gives you. Matt, you just completed your payment, and it gives me a tracking number in PayPal, so that's all cool. So now let's say I want to return to my site, and there's a little link here that redirects you back to the page where you ordered from. Okay, and you'll see that this will direct you to an order received payment. This is right back to your website. Okay, this is all part of WooCommerce. This is really neat. So it says, thank you, your order has been received, and you can configure special text in there if you want as well. So it gives me an order number, date, price, and payment method. And it also talks about the product here a little bit. It gives you a summary, How to Reach Your Tribe. It's an ebook, okay? That's really neat. Quantity 1 and 99 cents. Thank you for your purchase. And then this is a custom message you can supply, of course, here to your purchasers. My best to you on your endeavors is what I've coded in there, and Matt, okay? So you could provide your own little thank you note right there. Gives you customer details. This is the information that you provided in the shipping page. that we saw. And again, you can use this for physical product or virtual product, and I'll show you in a minute. I just have this set up for virtual product, okay? I'm interested in selling information products right now and not physically shipping things, but again, this is WooCommerce is set up where you can sell physical merchandise, and there's a whole shipping module there. So here, okay, now let's say I ordered an ebook. Where's my ebook? Well, two things. I got an email where that'll have a link in it, so it'll send an email out to the individual when they went through that contact information screen, but also you can download it directly from this page. So here you go. Here's the ebook, A Better Way to Reach Your Tribe. And by the way, feel free to reach out and purchase that product while it's still on special, deep discount. And so that's a little bit about the ebook. Okay. So there you go. All right. Now I might have to break this video into two pieces, but I'm going to go into the backend configuration. So you can see all the details behind the scenes, how to set this up. It's really quite simple. So I'm just going to go into my my dashboard here for WordPress. There you go. And here's when you install WooCommerce, you'll see a WooCommerce link, and then you'll see a product link. Okay. So the WooCommerce link here, basically what it does is it has several high-end features or high-level features on the menuing system: orders, reports, coupons, settings, and system status. I'm going to go through these very quickly, okay? And then the other high-level item, menu item that gets added to your dashboard on WordPress is the product page, and I'll show you how to do that, where I've set up a product. You can set up categories, tags, shipping, and attributes, okay, for the product. So it's very robust. So let's go into WooCommerce right here. Click on that. This is just an order page, quick order page here, but I'm going to go into the settings page. Okay, and by the way, in that order page, you could see the order that we had set up. You can see where I had actually made that order. So you can see when people order, it's an order summary screen. But this is the important piece that I wanted to get to today to get you guys up and running. So go to the settings option, and then all these tabs are available here to set up WooCommerce for you. General gives you the general options, which you'll want to look at first. That's basic, currency, checkout, and accounts. How do you want to enable your checkout process to work? Styles, that's just the look and feel of WooCommerce as it's presented on your theme in WordPress. And digital downloads, you can force the downloads or provide the URL here, or redirect them over to the product. So again, this is for a digital download. That's something that you want to keep in mind. So again, I'm rushing through this. I'm sorry about that, but this is such a great little plugin. I think you guys need to check it out. It's payment gateways. Here's where you can set up how your people are going to pay for it. You saw that I had PayPal set up. Okay, and when you set that up, for instance, if you want to set up PayPal, you just you click that option. Excuse me, and there's a sub menu here where you're going to go in and you can click on, for instance, here's PayPal, and what I've done is I set up, here's my PayPal account, and you can set up the PayPal the setup for PayPal. So that's where you're going to plug in your account. That's really the important thing, your PayPal email. All right, now we're going to quickly move on to, let's see, we've got the other thing I want to cover is products. Okay, so basically once you guys get this WooCommerce, the settings set up, you'll be able to get this thing rolling. But let's go into products. You'll see a couple of products that I have laid out here right now on this page. And this was my ebook product. So basically a product is almost like managing a page in WordPress. This interface should look familiar to many of you who've been using WordPress. So you've got the title of the product that you're looking to sell. In this case, this is How to Reach Your Tribe. It's my ebook. And then down here, this first box here, where normally you would plug in blog text, is really it's the snippet or the section of it's a description tab basically on the product, and you'll see that when you go out and you look at the product online. I don't know if I pointed that out. I don't think I did when we were reviewing the online features and what it looked like, the shopping cart out there, but this will show up under description. Virtual, this is probably something of note. Virtual, this is not, there's no physical product that's going to ship out here. Okay, so you want to check this box if you're selling an ebook or some other form of a document or something like that. And do you want the product to be purchasable or downloadable, sorry, when it's purchased? And check that box too. That's file path. This is something important when you are actually working with a virtual product like an ebook. So this will be the upload path where you can get this video from. So you just click on this and then you can actually upload your product from your laptop or desktop or whatever you're using to create your product on, and it will put that up on in a tucked away path underneath WooCommerce. And let's see, you can set download limits and expirations, so all kinds of good stuff for product. Hey, that's all I had time to cover today. Please explore this module. I think you'll find it helpful for your e-commerce application on your WordPress platform. Take care.